Welcome to Rachel's Revamps. Here's another DIY for you to try. We're going to take this old watering can and turn it into a chime. For this project, all you're going to need is a watering can, some spray paint, some beads, and some metal wire or some fishing line. What I did here was I took a watering can that I found in my shed, and I decided that I'm going to put some wire through the top of it and bead some crystals to make it look like water drops. I'm just trying to see you. Here's the type of wire that I used to bead my beads with. Here are some of the types of beads I used. It's good to use crystal beads because they look more like water droplets. After beading my beads, I then spray painted my watering can with a light pink spray paint. Here's how you want your beads to sort of look.
And just really did me.
That's what's up. That's what it is.
You can spray paint your watering can any color you like. I also found a really cool mandala sticker to put on the front of it. You can put any type of saying or any type of sticker, decorate it any way you want. You can use any type of beads you want also for this project. This makes a really awesome decorative piece for spring, something you can have on your front porch, even makes a great gift. I enjoyed making it and it turned out great. Tell us what you think, and if you make one, can you post it for me? And that's it. Thanks for joining us on this DIY. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe or leave a comment below. Thank you. Have a beautiful, wonderful, blessed day. See you. Bye.